Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can report responses provided to you in your conversations in or on Duck AI. For example, if you found any inaccuracies or misleading information, you may report these responses and let Duck AI or the team of reviewers here on Duck AI review that request to work on improvements for responses in the future. So let us guide you through this. So head over to Duck AI, for example, via DuckDuckGo or any other web browser, and navigate to chat. Here on the left hand side, browse through your chat history here, navigate to the given response, and at the bottom of the given response you will see this these three dots here with the report button. Click into it, and after that you may provide information, a reason for them here, for example, incorrect response, or too slow, or the information is outdated, poor formatting, and so on and so forth. Confirm by clicking into send feedback. Let me go, for example, with incorrect response. Just for the sake of this tutorial, the response was of course pretty accurate and okay. It's just for the sake of this tutorial. So here below in the text box you may provide, however doing that is optional, additional information. What exactly was the exact cause for your decision, why you decided to report the given response, and what you think should be included in a corrected version of the response, and maybe provide some information, suggestions, and finalize this by clicking to send feedback. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.